hit the trails again. Got side by side and some good friends again. And I can't wait to get on the trail again. Hi guys. So for once we are driving and we left and it was daylight out. I love this time of year. Today we are actually heading north instead of east. So unlike the last two videos, we can't film in the same spot because we're going in a different direction. We're heading up to Majestic Trails, which is northern PA, near Bradford, I believe. Not exactly sure of the town it's called that we're actually going to, but I know it's pretty close to Bradford. Some slow traffic ahead. We got the X4 behind, and I guess we'll just truck along. So, see you guys when we get there. So for this meet and greet ride, I'm going to do things a little bit differently. I'm going to break it down into a lot more smaller parts. That way it's a little more manageable for you guys to watch. And I think this way I won't have to cut so much out. I can pretty much do start to finish. And I'll probably do this in like 15 to 20 minute videos instead of 40 to 50 like I have in the past. That way you guys can enjoy it more without having to worry about sitting down and watching it all in one setting.
Yeah, so much. Hello, how you doing? We are here. Not much to it.
What's that guy's gonna go riding with us?
I don't know.
There's a nice banshee.
You want this?
Oh, you can turn it off for now. Well guys, we're here. We made it. We don't know if we got the entrance into the place recorded or not because Seth was having some technical difficulties with the camera. We're gonna go up here, sign our waivers, register. We got here a bit early, so we'll have a little bit of a wait till we gather at the trailhead around 10. We'll see how many people is gonna show up. Again, it's supposed to be a beautiful day today, so I would imagine it should be a pretty good turnout. Now, time to sign our liability away.
There it is, man. Are you videoing?
Yeah, he's playing. Oh, he is filming. What are you doing, just sitting there spinning with it?
I was. He was eating and you were just talking and I just kept on going.
All right, we're ready to head out. We got a guide, he's been here before, he's gonna show us around. We're kind of disappointed there's only 2 black trails here though. We were hoping for more black trails.
I like their helmet stuff. I think those ones you're looking at. You ready?
Yep. Might have been. More he bounces compared to us. We got the walkers. Where are we having our group? 4. There's 2 behind us. Should probably one of their side by side to use their GoPro gimbal on it. Signs here. What? Yeah, no, it isn't. From the videos I saw, it's like very Hatfield McCoy reminiscent.
Let's do it. Let's go for it.
We'll see what the puddle's like. Hit the jump, Seth. No, I don't think. Ready?
Yeah, we got to catch full sender this one.
Make sure them dirt bikes aren't there. They're dirt bikes.
Yep, you're good.
It sounds better than the CF Moto did. Rut. Does it go this way?
Yeah.
Nose dive. But it handles it good. It's amazing what a set of shocks will do.
It looks like it rode really nice.
Yeah, these Walker Evans make a big difference. I wouldn't do that with the stocks.
That one jump is a little bit right here.
Did it make you pucker a little bit?
Yeah, it did.
And as you guys know, if you've already seen my jump video that I posted earlier, we do end up heading back and hitting these
Next
jumps a
time we
little
stop,
later
we'll put
on.
it on the
So
back for a little
look for
bit.
the more footage from that in a future part.
Four-wheel drive.
Beginner.
Oh, quiet. I'm in four-wheel drive. I'm gonna take it out.
Is this videoing? No, I didn't turn it on.
I need to get a sport bad.
Don't worry, Seth. When I get mine, you can ride with me.
What are you complaining about?
how you'd fasten them in the back. It'd be easy on the front, we got the bar right here, but that bar is up a little high. And you have to have some kind of quick attach so you could slide the seats forward. That was wet. Woo! I'm glad I was in the front to see all that. These two just always stop. Hands are getting a little cold. Bah. This seatbelt. Gonna keep steering. Now who's complaining about the thing?
Hey, it's nice up here, Steph. That little one must be a lot rougher.
Trail says, yeah, it was only 20 bucks. This is definitely worth coming back to, I think. He is sticking to all the greens, though. I don't we probably should wait here for him.
I guess the other one does too.
Alright guys, like I said, I'm going to break this meet and greet ride up into more smaller parts to make it just easier and more manageable for you guys to watch through the whole thing, so you have to watch through a big long thing in one setting. So there'll be more of these videos coming. Trust me when I say we are just getting started here with the meet and greet ride. We hit a lot of good trails here at Majestic Trails. I had a lot of fun, so did the other guys. Probably one of my favorite meet and greet rides so far. So keep an eye out for future videos. Don't forget that you can help support Appalachian Mountain Riders by buying merchandise at my Teespring store, supporting me through Patreon, as well as buying parts and accessories for your ATV or side-by-side through my Amazon influencers page. So thanks for watching, guys, and until next time, keep on riding.